in Caraga region. Now, we will try to compare performance with the capacity of LGUs. How do we define capacity? It is the ability of local governments to perform their functions and fulfill their accountabilities and produce the desired results. This is the means. If performance is the end, capacity is the means. Now, part of the function of the DILG as provided for under EO 138, particularly Section 9, we will be providing technical assistance to the local governments in the crafting of their capacity development agenda. Now, considering that there will be a huge amount of money that will be given to the local governments, there are 6 pillars that we will try to review and revisit. One of which is we have to review or revisit their structure, the organizational structure, considering that there will be more people and more programs that will be implemented in the local governments. Secondly, there is a need to review existing policies or ordinances for that matter, executive issuances relating to their capacity development. Third, we have to re-examine the systems and procedures. What are the approaches of the local governments for that matter? Fourth, of course, this is very important. Re-evaluate the competency of the personnel, the capacity, capability to handle certain things in relation to the implementation of projects. Fourthly, we have to institutionalize knowledge and learning. And lastly, we have to strengthen the leadership of the local governments in terms of achieving their missions and goals. Now, when we speak of science and technology and innovation, there are a number of opportunities that's being offered to the local governments. Among others, we have the Smart Agriculture Program, wherein Butuan City has been embracing. Secondly, to embrace applicable indigenous scientific technologies on disaster management. There are science-based technologies that the local governments can use in dealing with the disaster. Third is there are also healthier ways of handling solid waste management and environmental preservation. This has been shown in Boracay, in Hinatuan, and so on and so forth. Sustainable coastal and underwater resources. This is very essential on the part of the local governments. Digital, smart LGU. Just like, I think Butuan City is also practicing this one. The other one which I have recently read is, I think, Tubigaraw. Tourism development, it's very important in our area, wherein a number of natural areas can be developed for tourism development. Food and nutrition technology. We've been discussing about adlai rice. How can we propagate? How can we develop better technology on how to produce this adlai rice development? Now, with much things that the LGUs need to undertake, with a number of priorities that they are facing right now, it is very important on the part of the local government to really identify and prioritize developmental issues and priority needs of their constituents pertaining to science and technology. That's the very first step the LGU should have to undertake. Secondly, considering that there is a transition from the national to the local government as far as the implementation of the different programs and projects is concerned, it is really vital on the part of the LGU to establish a strong partnership with institutions for external technical support. It may be coming from the national government agency, it may be coming from the academy, it may be coming from the private sector or from the non-government organization. Third, it might be possible that LGUs can forge alliances with other local governments for purposes of sharing resources. And lastly, it is very inevitable on the part of the local government to really formulate a science and technology plan which shall serve as an integral part of their comprehensive development plan resources. I think that's all that I can share to you. Thank you, and may hapon ka na to. On the part of the local government to really formulate a science and technology plan which shall serve as an integral part
Thank you
of
very
their
much,
comprehensive
ARD
development.
Sironay, my older brother,
I think that's
for
all that
that
I can share
very
to you. Thank
informative
you, and
talk
may hapon ka na to.
and sharing light to our LGU partners on the implications of Mandana's Garcia ruling, which is bigger, which provide bigger budgets and that could be used to fund research development and innovation projects, providing ins and solutions on key issues and concerns of LGU. Now, at this juncture, let us enrich with knowledge and ideas as we listen to our first plus talker who will present about the Kabadbaran Mangrove Eco Park for livelihood, environment, aesthetic, and disaster resilience. Our speaker is the head of the Technology Transfer and Licensing Office of the Caraga State University, Kabadbaran City Campus. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Dr. Flordelisa G. Alboro. A virtual applause, please. Office of the Caraga State University, Kabadbaran City Campus. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Dr. Flordelisa G. Alboro. A virtual applause, please. Office of the Caraga State University, Kabadbaran City Campus. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Dr. Flordelisa G. Alboro. A virtual applause, please. Office of the Caraga State
Good
University,
afternoon.
Kabadbaran City Campus.
Can I just
Ladies and
use
gentlemen,
my
please
recorded
help me welcome
presentation,
Dr.
sir?
Flordelisa G. Alboro. A virtual applause, please. Office of the Caraga State
Good
University,
afternoon.
Kabadbaran City Campus.
Can I
Ladies
just
and
use
gentlemen,
my
please
recorded
help me welcome
presentation,
Dr.
sir?
Flordelisa G. Alboro. Yeah, I think Ma'am Flor already sent
Good afternoon.
her recorded
Can I
video.
just use my
Can we
recorded
play that, please?
presentation, sir?
Yeah, I think Ma'am Flor already sent
Good afternoon.
her recorded
Can I
video.
just use my
Can we
recorded
play that, please?
presentation, sir?
Yeah, I think Ma'am Flor already sent
Good afternoon.
her recorded
Can I
video.
just use my
Can we
Good afternoon,
play that,
everyone.
please?
We say that environment protection is everybody's concern and everybody's responsibility. Family is an extension program of SAISU Cabadbaran City
good
that addresses
afternoon,
this
everyone?
concern.
We
It stands
say that
for
environment
Cabadbaran Mangrove
protection
Eco Park
is
for
everybody's concern
livelihood,
and everybody's
environment,
responsibility.
aesthetic, and disaster
Family is
resilience.
an extension
The
program of
program
SAISU
was
Cabadbaran
launched in
City that addresses this
2019 with the
concern.
guidance of its
It
program
stands
leader,
for
Dr.
Cabadbaran
Romel
Mangrove Eco
Seronay,
Park
and the support
for
of
livelihood,
CELSU VP
environment,
for Research,
aesthetic,
Innovation,
and
and
disaster
Extension,
resilience.
Dr. Rowena
The
Varela,
program
who
was
coined
launched
the
in
acronym
2019
FAMILY.
with the guidance of its program
Families
leader,
is a
Dr. Romel
collaborative
Seronay, and the
endeavor
support
among
of
different
CELSU
partner
VP for
agencies.
Research, Innovation, and
Central to the
Extension,
combined efforts of these
Dr. Rowena
collaborating
Varela,
agencies
who
is to
coined
help
the
the local
acronym
government of
FAMILY with the
Cabadbaran
guidance
City
of its
to
program leader,
sustainably rehabilitate and
collaborative
conserve its
endeavor
mangrove
among different
areas.
partner agencies.
The program
Central
looks
to the
forward
combined
of
efforts of these
establishing a
collaborating
mangrove eco
agencies
park
is to help
that hopefully
the
could
local
provide
government of
more
Cabadbaran
economic
City to
opportunities and
sustainably
means of livelihood
rehabilitate
for
and
coastal
conserve its mangrove
communities,
areas.
ensure a sustainable marine
The
harvest,
program looks forward
stimulate
of establishing a
ecotourism,
mangrove
and
eco
protect
park
the coastal
that hopefully could
dwellers, as
provide
well as
more
enhance their
economic
resilience
opportunities
against
and
adverse
means of
effect of
livelihood
climate
for
change.
coastal
Rehabilitate and
communities,
conserve its
ensure a
population in
sustainable
coastal
marine
areas of
harvest,
Cabadbaran City
stimulate
accounts
ecotourism, and
27%
protect the
of its
coastal
total
dwellers,
population,
as well
with
as
Barangay La
enhance their
Union having the
resilience
largest
against adverse
population.
effects of climate change.
Initial results of study on a assessment of the socioeconomic condition of coastal communities with 1,049 family respondents bears that, on average, 8 out of 10 coastal families survive with a monthly income of 10,000 pesos only. This is below the poverty threshold of 10,481 as of 2018. That is before the onset of this pandemic. There are 10 projects and sub-projects identified under Kami program, 8 of which are either completed, colored brown in the graph, or ongoing, colored green. Projects are categorized as either research component or pure extension project. 3 research components are completed in the program. The first one is the mangrove assessment and mapping by Anino, Bermudez, and Duler. The study identifies and accounts different types of mangroves present in coastal areas of Cabadbaran City. The information gathered provides important input to identify as to which species of mangroves suited for a particular area. Another is the assessment of mangroves macrofauna in selected coastal barangays in Cabadbaran City. This is a completed research project by Anunciado Bujumans and Angeles. The paper is already accepted for international publication. And the third one is the economic valuation of mangroves ecosystem by Budyuman. Among the important research outputs are the following: the production of coastal map of Cabadbaran, showing the mangroves area and those that need to be rehabilitated, the approximates of the abundance and identification of different species of mangroves fauna, and the identification of mangroves related economic activities of the community. Both of the data are utilized in the design and crafting of sub-project 4 IEC materials, both printed and digital. IFAD and DAB Region 30 through Fish Coral granted 100,000 fund for the production of these materials. Utilizing the local talents of our students, faculty, and staff, we are able to produce 300 pamphlets, 350 leaflets in local dialect, 5 tarpaulins to be posted in different barangay halls of coastal barangays, and 2 videos. How are these materials being distributed? Greater number of these IEC materials are given to DepEd Cabadbaran City Division for the 37 elementary and high school libraries, including those in the private schools. The primary objective is to have the youngsters in Cabadbaran get involved and develop concern for the environment, as well as understand the significance of mangroves for a sustainable supply of marine resources. We see this as a must for the drive of mangroves conservation to be sustainable. The program showcases how research data are utilized in the implementation of some extension projects. But more importantly, these data are utilized as major inputs and bases in the crafting of Cabadbaran City's mangroves management plan and in the formulation of some ordinances. Example of such ordinance is the regulation of the harvest of blue swimming crab as offshoot to Project 5, the blue swimming crab line-in and stock assessment by Dr. Sironay and Chapit Anunciado. With these little milestones done by CSU for the city of Cabadbaran, before national acknowledges and accorded us the plaque of recognition. The award definitely boosts even more CHUCC's commitment to help protect the environment and become an instrument in transforming the social well-being of the people in the city and beyond. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Be safe, everyone, and become an instrument in transforming the social well-being of the people in the city and beyond.
Thank you very much, Dr.
Thank you
Alboro,
for listening. Have a nice
for
day.
that
Be
presentation.
safe, everyone.
Uh,
An instrument in transforming the social
can you hear
well-being
me?
of the people in the city.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr.
Thank you
Alboro.
for listening.
It
Have a
seems that
nice day.
nag-bounce back ang
nag-bounce
akong
back ang akong
akong voice.
voice.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Of
Okay.
course.
Okay. It seems that so the presentation of Dr. Alboro or the Kami Lead program showcased the partnership of the Academy and LGU of Kabadbaran as well as the other national agencies in a science-based mangrove rehabilitation and conservation program. So our next speaker is
Dr. Rowen.
Dr. Rowena Arosalina Isagoksok, who is an associate professor and OSIT director of the Caraga State University. Dr. Sagoksok will talk about the government buying and selling of agricultural commodities in Butuan City. Take it away, Dr. Ina. And OSIT director of the Caraga State University. Dr. Sagoksok will talk about the government buying and selling of agricultural commodities in Butuan City. Take it away, Dr. Ina. And OSIT director of the Caraga State University. Dr. Sagoksok will talk about the government buying and selling of agricultural commodities in Butuan City. Take it away, Dr. Ina. And OSIT director of the Caraga State University. Dr. Sagoksok will talk about the government buying and selling of agricultural commodities in Butuan City. Take it away, Dr. Ina. And OSIT director of the Caraga State University. Dr. Sagoksok will talk about the government buying and selling of agricultural commodities in Butuan City. Take it away, Dr. Ina. And OSIT director of the Caraga State University. Dr. Sagoksok will talk about the government buying and selling of agricultural commodities in Butuan City. Take it away, Dr. Ina. Excuse me, Dr. Sagoksok, we could not hear your voice. Excuse me, Dr. Sagoksok, we could not hear your voice.
Sir Romeo.
Yes.
Oh, I think Dr. Sagoksok, you can start your presentation, ma'am. Sir Romeo.
Yes.
Oh, I think Dr. Sagoksok, you can start your presentation, ma'am. Sir Romea.
Yes.
Oh, I think Dr. Sagoksok, you can start your presentation, ma'am. Sir Romea.
Yes.
Oh, I think Dr. Sagoksok, you can start your presentation, ma'am. Sir Romea.
Yes.
Oh, I think Dr. Sagoksok, you can start your presentation, ma'am. Dr. Sagoksok, we cannot hear you po. 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 Dr. Sagoksok, we cannot hear you po.
Okay, it seems that there's a technical problem with the presentation of Dr. Sagoksok. Now, I think we could proceed to the next presenter. So, okay, it seems that there's a technical problem with the presentation of Dr. Sagoksok. Now, okay, so this time we could proceed to the next presenter. Let us move to the next. So, okay, plus talk on the productive efficiency. Now, okay, so this time, okay, let us move to the next.
Good afternoon.
Plus
Can
talk
I share
on
my screen?
the productive efficiency. Now, okay, so this time, okay, let us move to the next.
Good afternoon.
Plus
Can
talk
I share
on
my
the
screen?
productive efficiency. Okay, let me continue first. Dr. Balanay, for the introduction. Okay, so Dr. Balanay will be presenting the productive efficiency of the small Dr. Balanay is small hoarder rubber. Okay, so farmers in Agusan del Sur, Caraga region will be presenting, and Dr. Balanay is a professor and director of the Caraga Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, Forestry, and Natural Resources, farmers in Agusan del Sur, Research and Development. Please take it away, Dr. Balanay.
Thank you for the introduction, Mel. I'd like
I'd like
to
to
request to be allowed to share my
Research and
screen.
Development. Please take it away, Dr. Balanay.
Thank you for the introduction, Mel. I'd like to request to be allowed to share my screen. So that is the topic that I will be going to discuss with you shortly. So good afternoon to all stakeholders of Caraga State University who find time to participate in this forum. So what I'm going to share with you this afternoon is part of my ongoing study on rubber, which is funded by the Australian Centre for International Agricultural Research, or ASIAR, and the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research and Development of the UST. Griffith University is the lead agency of this project, and USM of Gabacan, Cotabato, CSU, Bigas, or the Provincial Government of Agusan del Sur, and DA, ESWM are the Philippine partners implementing the project in Agusan del Sur and in Cabacan, Cotabato. So it looks into the productive efficiency of the smallholder rubber farmers in Agusan del Sur, Caraga region, and it used a data envelopment analysis approach. So in the interest of time, I will be brief in my succeeding two slides that describe the smallholder rubber farmers and their practices. So in this slide, you will see the smallholder farmers are noted to be with early experience in the growing of rubber, have planted RR. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong, but it's okay. Have planted rubber using the RRIF 600 variety and have adopted a monocropping system with additional animal enterprises like livestock and poultry. And then in this slide, the farmers are noted to skip doing the care and maintenance activities. Sorry. Okay. They skip doing the activities for the care and maintenance of their rubber farms in this slide. See, this slide is where I'm going to give more explanation. This slide shows that the result of analyzing